we are, bro. Wait.
Get a bog, you'll push.
Fuck off. What's not that?
This is where he bought a fucking pullet for the internet. This is all grass before we came.
Huh?
Oh, this is a lot more money than when I was here. I reckon we're gonna get bogged.
I don't know how this guy's doing this, seriously.
Look at that bird. We're gonna get that bird.
Oh, shit's too fast.
Oh, I'm just sliding. And we got the car up there somehow.
This is just sliding everywhere, man. Oh.
That's as far as we're gonna make it.
No, you can still go. Go.
We're going down here. We'll get the speed going down here.
This is...
You're seriously documenting our fun.
Yeah.
Ready? Ready? So you take kick out sideways.
That was pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, do that again.
I don't know if we'll get back up there. I'll try.
Well, don't go down there.
It's a lot more wetter than I was.
Should I open the door? I mean, window?
What?
I don't know. Get some sound effects.
What's the car to come?
Yep. It's more fun with the air rushing through.
Speed up here. Do you want to get out and record that?
Yeah, I do actually.
Yeah.
Alright, wait a sec.
Just get out and walk. I can keep moving stuff.
Yeah, I got a video. Just so you know, viewers, I just fell out of a car. Gonna get fogged. Alright. We're gonna do it again, home viewers. Get some slidey action going on. Alright. Now, just so you know, this is the drag strip. With his fully stick V8 Commodore Turbo, bro. Get some sideways action going, and there he comes. Zooming out. Oh yeah. Very nice, very nice. Well executed.